To sign in and start trading at the IQ Option platform, you must specify your personal information and your email. After that, you should select the type of account you want to use. In the main window, you will see a chart that displays the price movement of the selected assets in real-time mode. You can buy options all the way before the time to buy moment arrives. Expiration time indicates the moment when the option expires. You will find available trading currency pairs, commodities, indices, and equities in the menu of assets. Your expected profit is indicated as a percentage. On the Technical Analysis panel, you will find various tools of analysis. You will also find an option to choose the type of chart and the indicator called Trader's Choice. On the Trading panel, you will find the time at which the option will be expired and the total amount of your investment. If you think that the price of the asset will be higher at the moment of expiration than at the moment of purchase, you should buy a call option. If you think that the price of the asset will be lower at the moment of expiration than at the moment of purchase, you should buy a put option. Profit shows the amount which is to be transferred to the balance in the case of successful prediction. On the left panel, you will find opened options. Their expiration time hasn't yet come. Expired options. Selection menu of possible trading assets. Top traders' stats and best deals. Future price movement prediction based on technical analysis. And relevant financial news.
How to deposit funds. To get to the deposit page, press the Deposit button in the upper right corner of the main website page, or do so directly in the trade room if you're already there. The minimum deposit amount is $10, pounds sterling, or euros. If your bank account is in a different currency, the funds will be converted automatically. You may enter a deposit amount manually or select one from the list. There are several ways to deposit funds into your account. Select the Visa MasterCard payment method. Click Go to Payment. You will be redirected to a new page where you will be requested to enter your card number, cardholder name, and CVV. CVV stands for Card Verification Value. It's a 3-digit number that's used as a security element during online transactions. It is written on the signature line on the back side of your card. To complete the transaction, press the Pay button. On a new page that opens, enter the 3D Secure code, a one-time password generated to your mobile phone that confirms the security of the online transaction. To activate this function, please contact your bank. If you are planning to make a deposit in order to purchase cryptocurrency, the use of 3D Secure is highly recommended. If your transaction has been completely successful, a confirmation window will appear and your funds will be credited to your account instantly. When making a deposit, your bank card gets linked to your account by default. Next time you make a deposit, you won't have to enter your data again, you will only need to choose the necessary card from the list. You can unlink your card by clicking Link Card next to Payment Method on the deposit page. There is also a possibility to make a Bitcoin deposit. Select the currency, enter the deposit amount and choose Bitcoin as the payment method. Click Go to Payment. You will be automatically redirected to a new page where you'll see an address generated for you. Copy that address and use it to send Bitcoin from your wallet. Bitcoin will be converted into the currency of your real account. Please note that you only have 15 minutes to complete the transaction. If you would like to deposit OTN, select Deposit OTN. You will be offered a QR code and an address for transferring OTN tokens.
In the Account Management menu, you can change personal information, make a deposit, withdraw funds. For real money trading, you must select a payment method and enter the desired amount, which is instantly credited to your balance. We wish you successful trading with IQ Option.